Hello, I think that so I got the rotary current steering. Just contain a firing. So I bought this one because it's like simple tanks. I think since I got the rotary, I think we're gonna get a few granite. Also gonna get a caravan. Okay, let's go. Also, we're gonna get this guy. Both got like tanks, okay. But I can't do. I can the tanks, like their tanks, those ranks. So let's go to. So, so kind of like. So this is one I tried on like the same, but this is see it's wrong. So I think it's then okay, right. So I got the okay. The rank. Alright. Get the stick ranks. Okay, so I got stick ranks and you could constraint the heck this ring. So I got the some things. I thought it was like a box. I think it was like kind of a tank. It's around. So I think it's right because up there. So I kind of think the tangrings. So I can put like stickers on. I don't think this thing has stickers like the thing. So it's like so I get the train the phone. Alright. And so I got a tractor ground. The first tractor like I'm saying you check some kinds I'm not gonna do it actually, so things. I know rattling can sing a good song. I was on the things, got things on YouTube, get things rattling, but not get things. So I got like using like things, like saying, and then quick links. So I can do get like 10 gangs and train recurrence. So I got two train and 2 tanks and things. Okay, against a tractor train. It is fun getting around this game, like. And I think this thing's fucking like not concerned. I think it's things. I think it's you can get ranks. You can get like I think can go to the ring. it's going to X-ray, it's going to X-ray green. This is like that, thanks. Sometimes like gold, I don't think it's related, but that links carbon fiber, that pink, alright, thanks. Yeah, so it comes up thanks on this is crash. So this is like cool. Yeah, it's like next time. I think so. I think thanks. And yeah, so I think I would kind of take things like using tanks. I think the tank wasn't I guess some could get customized, right? I'm saying I got like two things like alright, so I got I can get again. Next. So you can plug in like things. So this is a kind of thing, I have tanks off the walls of the sink, connects, steering. This is like, fine, things, and, alright, so let's go to the computer and the can see, can string a rank, okay, to take the drain, kick it down. So I don't get some bearings. I got like exact standard banks, and then that I got like fucking sometimes other things like a bank sign. So I got like that kind. So that does that, and kind of like see. If you take the accounts, and then take accounts, like, I can get the account, and I look at the tanks again, because I don't think I also can get tanks right. I don't think I got the tanks and things like that, so that's gonna be good that I haven't. Two things, so then don't get something again. So by next time, everything looks like audience, but I think that's it. But bye for now. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention, this is been about so this I didn't get the joint. That's something connecting that I didn't connect that you can connect things to and things are on. And things it does is that it takes the run computer and everything like time unit things. This is saying taking the frame and take there's a good things that you can probably like connect to. So it's like the connects, you got the things to the extra factor and the things in connects. So this is a random things that you can. So I can calculate the NX. 6 and the Alex isn't comparing, but I just can't like just can't do it so that I can just turn it right back. The Alex have comparing because this is something cool. I think it's home.